Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth audio stuttering in Windows 11 and 10. Let's get started. First, click on the search bar and type mmsys.cpl, then open it. This will bring up the sound setting window. Go to the playback tab, find your Bluetooth device, right click it, and select properties. After that, go to the Enhancement tab and check Disable All Enhancements. Then click Apply. Now test your audio to see if the issue is fixed. If the problem is still there, open the control panel and go to the Hardware and Sound. Then click Devices and Printers. Find your Bluetooth device, then right-click it and select Properties again. Now go to the Services tab, then try unchecking remote control or similar option, then click Apply. This can help reduce interference and fix stuttering issues. After that, reconnect your device and test your audio again. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.